Hello, I'm Mathieu from ShapeDiver. Welcome to a new 2-Minute Tuesday video. Today I will talk about the IFrame feature, which is available for all our users from designer accounts and above. And that's a feature where you can, at a click of a button, embed one of your models, one of your ShapeDiver models in your own website with all the parameters. So I will look now at the model view page of one of my models, and here in the iframe section you can see that you have this button to copy an iframe code, and as long as you have whitelisted the domain of the website where you want to embed your model on, you can copy and paste codes and embed the model on the page. And of course you can interact with it just like you would be able to in the ShapeDiver platform. Now, what you might not be aware of is that the iframe feature comes with a lot of options, including standard ones like the size of the iframe and whether to hide or show some of the buttons. So, for example, hide or show the parameters by default, and hide or show the full screen button and the zoom button here. So those are all the standard options. However, in the latest version of the feature, we have added the possibility to, on the one hand, specify your own logo. So for example, I got this template generic logo here. And if I copy the link of this logo here and copy again the iframe code, you will see that this logo is loading as the iframe loads in the website. On top of that, you can also customize 4 different colors that are included for the different elements of the iframe. And for example, I will try to adapt more or less to the brand colors of this generic logo I added for 2 of the colors of my iframe, and copy the code again. And now you can see that some of my elements here in the panels follow the primary color that I defined, and the background color of the iframe is following the background color I defined. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you want more tips like this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to ask questions about this feature or any other on our public forum. And I will see you next time for the next video. Thank you.